Hi there, I'm David from London and Home County Safes, and we're taking a look at this range of safes made by Chubbsafes, and the range is known as the Homesafe S2 30p. This range is available with a digital keypad to operate the safe, as you see here, or with a conventional key operation. There's 6 sizes in the range. This is the penultimate from the largest, the model number 70E. There's only one larger, which is the 90E, and the E stands for electronic. If this was the key operated version, it would be the 70K. So that bit's quite simple. These safes are certified to EN 14450 S2 rating, which means they're suitable for storing either £4,000 in cash or up to £40,000 in valuables, and they also have fire resistance for 30 minutes to the standard EN 15659 LFS 30p. That's where the 30p in the range number comes from. I'm going to go ahead and open the safe, which you do with the default code, which is no secret. That's open. You rotate the whole keypad in order to throw the bolts, and now the safe is open. So I've got the safe open here. The entire range come with one shelf, apart from the 70 and the 90, which come with these 2 shelves. They're not repositionable. These are actually riveted in place, so you are kind of stuck with the layout of the shelves as they come. That's the identification plate, and you can see they call it a secure safe cabinet and a light fire storage unit. So it's basically both of those, 2 things in one, if you like. Routinely the safe is going to be bolted down to the ground, concrete floor ideally, with these 2 fixing bolts, quite substantial openings there for the bolt. There are 2 additional fixing points on the back of the safe that are plated over to maintain the fire resistance. So the fire resistant wall is directly behind there, and there's corresponding plates behind, so they can be bolted through the back as well, but we need to remove those plates when we do it. If we only bolt it down through the floor, those plates remain, and that's to preserve the integrity of the fire test. I've extended the bolts here so that you can see this kind of innovative V-shaped design that Chubbsafes have come up with here. Quite like that actually, and those bolts obviously are shot out, and they lock into these corresponding openings on the frame. Hopefully you can see that with the light. And on the hinge side you've also got these 3 fixed points that engage into these receivers here. Very secure. It's got the usual drill protection that is a requirement of its testing and its certification. All in all, it's a very nice range of safes. I'll go into the sort of full dimensions of this particular safe on its individual product page, but just to give you an idea, this unit is 800mm high and is, as I say, the penultimate largest. The next one up is the 90, and that's a metre high, 1000mm high, and you can go all the way down to the size 10, which is only 300mm high. All the details are on our product pages there. So this is us, London and Home County Safes, and we supply and we install this safe for one price. It's free delivery, free installation, and it will be a vetted employee that arrives to expertly install your safe, and you'll receive a certificate for your insurance company, and he'll arrive in an unmarked van, so your neighbours won't know what we're there to do. Check us out online, londonsafes.co.uk, or give us a call. Thanks for watching.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.